I'm tired of fighting and running. I need to put an end to all of this. So that means I'm gonna have to kill the one that did all of this. I don't even know his name, but I'm gonna have to kill him. That way, all of this could go back to normal. So, I don't know what to do though. I mean, I still have my powers, but I still don't know what to do. And plus, the only thing I can do is fight and run. So I need to put a stop to this. But it's almost night, so I should take a nap. Shoo! Shoo! You guys find Bendy and bring him to me now! Yes, master. Yes. Find your way. I'm kind of tired still, but still. Time to put it into them. Not if I have anything to say about it. Oh no, it's a puppet! No more fighting! Puppet, die! Tell me where the base is at! Never. Tell me where the base is at! Right over there. No, come here!